Passive income. It's the holy grail. The promise of money flowing into your bank account while you sleep, travel, or sip margaritas on a beach. Social media is filled with gurus selling you this dream. But what if almost everything you've been told about passive income is a lie? Today, we're exposing the 7 biggest myths and giving you the truth about building real wealth. Stick around, because lie number 3 is the one that keeps most people stuck. Welcome back to Bot Built, your guide to real personal finance and side hustles that actually work. In this video, we're not selling you a course. We're not promising overnight success. We're breaking down the 7 most common lies about passive income and replacing them with the honest, actionable truth. This isn't meant to discourage you, but to empower you with a realistic starting point. Lie number 1. It's 100% passive. This is the biggest one. The idea that you can set it and forget it. The truth: almost all passive income streams require significant upfront work, maintenance, or occasional problem solving. Think of it like planting a tree. You have to dig, plant, water, and protect it before you can ever sit in its shade. Lie number 2. It's quick and easy. Those ads showing a skyrocketing graph in 30 days? They're selling you a fantasy. Building a source of income that generates reliably takes months, often years, of consistent effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Lie number 3. You don't need any money to start. While there are low-cost options, the idea that you need zero capital is a trap. Whether it's buying equipment for a YouTube channel, a website domain for a blog, or even just the opportunity cost of your time, there's almost always an investment required. Lie number 4. It will replace your 9-to-5 job. For 99% of people, a single passive income stream won't replace a full salary. The real goal is to build multiple streams that complement your active income, creating financial security and options, not an instant retirement ticket. Lie number 5. There's one secret system. If there was a single, perfect, one-size-fits-all system, everyone would be doing it. The truth is, the best passive income stream depends entirely on your skills, interests, resources, and risk tolerance. Lie number 6. It's completely hands-off. Even a dividend stock portfolio needs monitoring. A rental property needs a property manager. A blog needs updates for SEO. Passive is a misnomer. Residual or leveraged income is a more accurate term. Lie number 7. It's guaranteed. Nothing in the world of income generation is guaranteed. Markets change, algorithms update, trends fade. Any legitimate plan involves understanding and managing risk, not ignoring it. So if these are the lies, what's the truth? The truth is that passive income is simply about exchanging upfront time and effort for future paychecks. It's about building assets that work for you. It's not easy, but it is achievable if you have realistic expectations, patience, and are willing to put in the work. Did any of these lies surprise you? Let me know which one in the comments below. If you're ready to start building real wealth the right way, check out our video on the top 5 realistic side hustles for 2024. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe and hit the bell for more no BS financial advice. Thanks for watching.